The modern night looks like this: a glowing phone, a late email, and a racing mind. Ancient thinkers faced restless nights too, and they left us a philosophy for sleep. Their wisdom still matters today because the body has not changed.
The Stoics taught a simple practice. Each night, review the day. Accept what you cannot change and release it. Marcus Aurelius wrote these reflections by candlelight before sleep. Epictetus offered a mental filter. Sort each worry into two piles: what is in your control and what is not. Only the first pile deserves your attention. The rest belongs to the night. Aristotle believed sleep restores balance. The body works, the mind rests, and virtue grows in the quiet hours. A good life needs a good night. Rest is not weakness, it is wisdom. In the East, Lao Tzu taught Wu Wei, the art of effortless action. Do not force sleep. Let the mind soften like water, and rest arrives on its own. The Buddha taught mindful breathing at rest. Follow one breath in, one breath out. Thoughts float by like clouds. You are the sky, not the storm. Seneca warned against the busy mind. He wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Most nighttime fears never happen. Name the fear, and it shrinks." Confucius taught daily ritual: a steady bedtime, a quiet room, and a grateful heart. Ritual turns chaos into calm. The same rhythm repeated becomes rest. Modern science agrees with the ancients. Screens raise stress, but journaling lowers it. Slow breathing calms the heart. Gratitude improves deep sleep. Old wisdom holds up under new tests. Build your own nightly practice. Write 3 lines in a journal. Breathe slowly for 2 minutes. Let go of one worry. Small acts, repeated, become peaceful sleep. Sleep is not just biology, it is philosophy in action. Every calm night is a small victory over fear, ego, and noise. The wise sleep well because they think well.
Ancient wisdom still matters today because it gives sleep 3 simple rules: end the work, quiet the mind, and trust the night. A clean desk closes the work. A short journal quiets the mind. A dim lamp signals trust in the night. Scripture echoes the same wisdom. Psalm 127 verse 2 says, "He grants sleep to those he loves." Ecclesiastes 5:12 says, "The sleep of a laborer is sweet." Rest is a gift, not a reward. Close the day, trust the night, and let sleep come.